Okay, this is a pretty exciting day for math because we are finishing our book as far as class time because like I told you in the announcements, all of the pages with the pretty colors down the side are your summer pages, okay? So today is our last official day of math as far as our books are concerned, and we're going to end it with a test, okay? So let me tell you what you're going to need. You're going to need page 147. You're going to need your worksheet that looks like this, okay? And you're going to need your crayons. Alrighty. So, math is going to be really short, okay? And it'll be short from this point on. So, yay! Alrighty. Okay. So, on page 147, your very last test of the year, on number 1, it tells us to listen as your teacher reads each story problem. So, what you're going to do on these are a total of 4 boxes. And you're going to listen to Miss O'Donnell as she reads the story, and then you're going to write the numbers in the boxes. And all of these combinations are going to be addition, they're going to add, there are no takeaway, okay? So that's a clue. And plus, it shows you on your problems in between the boxes, there's a plus sign. So, alrighty, so listen very carefully, okay? Matt caught 2 fish before lunch. He caught 2 fish before lunch and 3 fish after lunch. How many fish did he catch? Now let me repeat that. Before lunch, Matt caught 2 fish. After lunch, he caught 3 fish. How many fish did he catch? Okay, so you're going to put the answer in the box at the top. Then you're going to write how many fish he caught before lunch, how many fish after lunch, and then equals how many fish in all, okay? Going on further down, it says Bailey saw 1 blue jay and 3 robins. How many birds did she see? Okay, so this must be springtime. She saw 1 blue jay and 3 robins. How many fish did how many birds did she see? 1 blue jay, 3 robins. How many birds is that, okay? Now, skipping down to number 2, all you're going to do is add, okay? Number 3, you're going to write the before and after numbers. Boys and girls, easy as apple pie, okay? So that's what you're going to do for your test. Moms, dads, grandparents, please submit that to me so that I can grade it and put it in my book because I'm getting ready to do report cards. All right, so now what you need is you need your worksheet that looks like this, okay? And needless to say, you know you're going to have to color it like Miss O'Donnell did, okay? All right. So what we're doing is we're counting by tens and ones. We've been doing this. We started it last week, and we're going to continue it throughout the course of this week and probably a little bit next week too. Okay. So remembering that these lines right here, those are groups of 10. So you don't have to count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You already know that it's 10. Okay, and so what they want us to do is color the correct number of tens and ones bubbles to match the number. So on this first one, how many of you guys like to play with bubbles? Even though Miss O'Donnell is a grown-up, I still like to play with bubbles, okay? But here on this first bubble, it tells us to color 16 bubbles. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your crayon. I'm going to take a crayon. And it says to color 16 bubbles. Well, I know for sure that this is 10, so I don't have to count that. So then I'm going to start counting by ones. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so now I have to go back and count because this is a total of 10 right here. This is 10 bubbles right here. Okay, so that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, and I colored 16 bubbles, so I'm going to come up here and color the number 16 the same color. Okay, then you're going to get a different crayon, and we're going to do the next one. Okay, the next one, the number is what? 11. So what comes right after 10? 11. So we're only going to color one bubble. Okay, we know that this is 10, so we don't have to count it. Miss O'Donnell's just scarring these a little bit because I've already colored them. Okay, so that's 10, 11. And then I come over here and I color the big bubble that has the number 11. Okay? Easy. Let's do one more, and then the rest of them are going to be left for you, and then we're done with math. Okay? So the number is what? 15. So we know that this is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Go back and I color these really quick because all of these are 10. Okay, and then I color my big bubble over here, like so. Okay, easy. Now what you're going to do, let me show you the finished worksheet, because this is the way I want yours to look, nice and neat like Miss O'Donnell's. Remember, give God your best, give your parents your best, give yourself your best, give me your best, okay? So, what I've done is I've colored the little girl up here, I've colored the bottle of bubbles, and I colored all of the bubbles nice and neatly, okay? And that's what I want you to do, okay? So that's it for math. Make sure you get your test done, turned into me, and your worksheet and turn it into me. And I'll see you back here for science, reading, spelling, and penmanship. Okay, see ya.